Hello laser fighters! Today we'll talk about VAL, a unique game set. The weapon has been in production for many years. If you like authenticity, it's your choice. There is no limit to perfection. The model has been specially designed for laser tag. The foregrip, pistol grip and magazine are made of shockproof plastic. Nothing prevents a good connection between VAL and the headband. The Bluetooth module is right here, inside the magazine. The updated version has a complete integration of batteries and electronics that operates using new boards. Nothing prevents you from enjoying the game. Turn on the weapon by pressing the button on the upper part of the receiver. Use the improved bolt to reload it. It works smoothly. There is also a safety catch. You can't fire if the safety catch is in the upper position. The foldable buttstock allows you to carry the weapon anywhere you go. 90 cm and a bit more than 60 cm, you will see the difference. You can also install a collimator sight. In that case, you'll have to buy a special adapter for the dovetail rail. If you want to install a POSP sight, there is no need for adapters. Without doubt, you'll like the updated VAL. Even if you aren't a big fan of it, just give it a chance and you'll get a great game experience. We recommend the weapon for private use. Besides, the price of the game set is very competitive. The guns are always in the middle price segment. Good luck, enjoy your life and the game, stay tuned.